TGTX stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Therapeutics stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, looking at TGTX, this is decent. My previous idea was obviously open-minded for longs, and I still quite literally am. Targets with 46, 48. Before I get into this, I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 44,000 videos in 5 years of experience, all documented, by the way. This is not financial advice, but how I'm looking at this is just very simple. I know the price would have already started to pick up and going 60 miles per hour once I see a shift, like a double break. And if I do not see that, then I'm not going to be buying. Yeah, very reasonable. And why am I saying reasonable? Well, maybe man, because I've tested 44,000 videos and data shows. Now, it's obviously not financial advice, but this whole bullish side thing began far a lot earlier, right? Look at this video, for example. This was made when it was $22.05, like 10 months ago, 7th of September, right?
Like,
you know what I mean? So that's how TGTX is looking like. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making email send insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.